In this video, I'll be showing you how you can download and install Grand Theft Auto Liberty City Stories on Android. Well, thankfully, the game is available for free on Play Store, so you just need to access your Play Store and then search for GTA Liberty City Stories. So how to do that? Just click the search icon and then type in GTA Liberty City Stories. So make sure that you are downloading the right application or the official application of GTA, which is this, and click the install button. So the application is now downloading, and after downloading it, it will automatically install into your device. So make sure that you have enough storage before downloading and installing GTA Liberty City Stories on your phone. And that's it. That's how you can download and install GTA Liberty City Stories on Android. And thank you for listening.